Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the pirate treasure room and meet this dead skeleton NPC to start the dead man's treasure quest. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could find this pirate treasure room where we can start this quest, the dead man's treasure. And this is the quest details. Before we go to the quest, I'm going to show you guys how you can find this location. Okay, wait, I'm going to go back and show you how I could find this location. Um, of course, first of all, guys, you need to go to the Pirate Cove and then you need to unlock the secret pirate cave right here. You need to do this quest first. And after you complete the quest, you can open this cave and you can just dive in. Okay, and you need to find the maze room. And here you can unlock, you can go to the treasure room. Okay, this is the maze. And I recommend you to go to the side and just follow me. Well, it's pretty hard, guys, to find the pirate treasure room because we need to pass this maze and it's confusing. I tried many times to find the treasure room, but finally I could unlock it. Okay, and this is how the treasure room looks like, and then you can fish here. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the pirate treasure room. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.